This Benish Real Estate Group property video is presented by Bobbi Benish. Veteran-owned, gorgeous ranch home on over 1 acre situated amongst rolling country hills and offers a convenient commute to Crane. The living room features a stone feature fireplace, brand new carpet, and large front windows. Lovely hardwood floors, fresh paint throughout, spacious kitchen with ample counter space and cabinetry. Dining opens to kitchen and walks out to the covered private deck. Master with ensuite, large closet, and is situated across the hall from the other 2 spacious bedrooms. Oversized garage and ample parking. For more information, review the details below or contact Bobbi Benish at 765-437-3650.